Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the site name on SharePoint in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First, open the SharePoint site you want to rename in your browser. Once your site homepage loads and displays, you're ready to start. Now look to the top right corner of your SharePoint site and you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of options. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Site Information and click on it. This opens up the Site Information panel where you can edit all your site details. You'll see several editable fields appear. If you don't see the Site Information option at all, that means you don't have the required permissions to make this change. In that case, you'll need to reach out to the site owner to either get the proper permissions or have them make the name change for you. Assuming you do have access, you'll now see the Site Information panel open in front of you. Look for the field labeled Site Name. Click directly on that text field to make it active. Your cursor will appear in the box and the field will be ready for editing. Now just clear out the old name and type in whatever new name you want to use for your site. Once you've entered your new site name, look for the Save button in the Site Information panel and click it. As soon as you click Save, the new name will appear instantly across your SharePoint site and in Teams if your site is connected there. Now here's some useful context about what just happened. This change only updates the display name, the title that people see on your site homepage, in navigation, and in Teams tabs. The actual site URL stays exactly the same. That means any links you've shared or bookmarks people have saved will continue to work perfectly. You haven't broken anything by changing the name. Also, while you're in that Site Information panel, you can edit your site description at the same time if you want to update that as well. And if you ever need to change the site name again in the future, just repeat these same steps. You can update it as many times as you need. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the